Hey Google, what sound does a cat make?
This is a cat.
What do you see?
When they gave birth, but not many people have seen what it actually looks like, so I thought it would be really cool.
Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy. Oh, I'm sorry.
Get her! Lynch! Jail.
Put a finger down, but if you have more than 3 fingers down by the end of this challenge, I'm jealous of you. Put a finger down if your pant size is a size 4 or lower. Put a finger down.
The Marxists, the anarchists, the agitators, the looters, and people who, in many instances, have absolutely no clue.
They're really stupid. They don't know how to catch in the car, and the person does it for them.
Why are your hands like that? I'm scared. Remy, baby, why are your hands like that?
You going? You come back here. Oh.